I'm sick ผมไม่สบายครับ I'm sick. Alright, let's take a look at these tones. Pom and chun, words you know and know well, both. Rising tone, right? Pom, chan, my, another word that I'm sure that you know well. Falling tone, my. Sa by, one word. Sa is low tone, first half of the word. The second half of the word by, sa by, low tone first half, flat tone second half, right? So your normal tone of voice on the second half of the word. Sa by, and then krap, high tone. And if you happen to be female, you'll be throwing a falling tone on that. Ka. Pom mai sabai kap. Or chan mai sabai ka.
ฉันไม่สบายค่ะ ฉันไม่สบายค่ะ ฉันไม่สบายค่ะ
ผมไม่สบายครับ ผมไม่สบายครับ ผมไม่สบายครับ
ผมไม่สบายครับ ผมไม่สบายครับ ผมไม่สบายครับ
Pom or chun, as you know, you well know, means I or me. My means no. That's got to have a falling tone on that to mean no. My. Sabai means to be fine, to be well, to be easy, to be comfortable. Remember the whole feeling of zen and good karma and you're feeling groovy. That's sabai. So if you're sabai, you're in good shape, right? If you're my sabai, you're not in good shape. And then you have the polite particle at the end, kap or ka, depending upon your sex. So repeat after me. And remember, if you're a female, substitute chun every time I say pom. Pom mai sabai kap. Oh, yes. And if you're a lady, you're going to also substitute krap with a ka. Okay. Again, please. Pom mai sabai kap. Pom mai sabai kap. Let's do it again and hit those tones just right. And I'm going to do it slowly, and I want you to do it slowly and really work the tones. Pom mai sabai krap. And for the ladies, chan mai sabai ka.
ฉันไม่สบายค่ะ ฉันไม่สบายค่ะ ฉันไม่สบายค่ะ
ผมไม่สบายครับ ผมไม่สบายครับ ผมไม่สบายครับ
ผมไม่สบายครับ
Check your tones.
ผมไม่สบายครับ ผมไม่สบายครับ
I am sick. Pom mai sabai kap. Now, how would you say I'm fine? Pom sabai kap. Chun sabai kap. I'm sorry. Chun sabai ka. Pom sabai kap means you're fine. Pom mai sabai kap means you're not fine. The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, thetailanguage.com. thetailanguage.com.